OpenAI just shut down Sora, and the AI world is freaking out. But here's what nobody's telling you. Sora was never the best tool for UGC ads in the first place. The best performing meta ads right now aren't glossy cinematic spots. They're raw, authentic, UGC-style creatives that look like a real person filmed them on their phone. And that's exactly what this platform is built for. In this video, I'll show you the exact process performance marketers are using in 2026 to pump out high-converting AI UGC ads with ARC ads, powered by Nano Banana Pro and Kling 3.0. You're going to see 2.5 core workflows: how to create an AI actor and script video from scratch, how to swap that actor into existing footage with motion control, and how to turn one winning ad into a multilingual asset that prints you revenue across markets. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also show you a few bonus features that cut your ad production time from days to minutes. Workflow 1. Build a complete UGC ad from zero first. We'll build a complete UGC-style ad starting from zero. No camera, no studio, just your product idea. 1. Go to app.arcads.ai and log in or sign up with Google. 2. Once you're in, hit New Project in the top right and choose the video preset, which is optimized for UGC-style ads instead of cinematic shots. 3. In the editor, open the AI actor panel on the left. You can either pick from a library of 1,000 plus pre-made faces or generate a custom actor with Nano Banana Pro. 4. To generate your own, describe who you want: confident female, age 28, warm smile, professional, brunette hair, then set the emotion to excited and click Generate. In a few seconds, ARC renders a photorealistic face. If you don't like it, regenerate until it matches your brand vibe. 5. Now we'll give your actor something to say. Under the actor preview, paste or write your script in the script voiceover box. Keep it under 30 seconds of talking time. For a skincare product, it could be, "Hey, I just discovered this skincare routine and my skin has never looked better. The results are insane. You have to try it." Keep it sounding like a real friend, not a brand deck. 6. Below that, leave the video model on Kling 3.0. Right now, Kling 3.0 is one of the best models for raw, handheld-style UGC videos with natural motion, rather than polished cinematic visuals. 7. Set the video length around 15 seconds and click Generate Video. 8. In under a minute, you get a video of your AI actor speaking your script with realistic head movement, hand gestures, and emotion that matches the tone you chose. Hit play, check the hook, and tweak the script if you need a stronger opening line. In about 5 minutes, you've got your first AI UGC ad that looks like a creator recorded it natively for Reels or TikTok, not something cooked up in a Hollywood studio. Workflow 2. Swap AI actor into existing footage with motion control. Now let's say you already have a solid piece of B-roll, someone holding your product, unboxing a package, or using your app. But you want to swap in your AI actor while keeping the same motions. This is where Kling Motion Control plus ARC really shines. 1. From your dashboard, click New Project and select the same video preset. 2. In the left sidebar, open Motion Control and upload your existing clip, ideally 15 to 30 seconds long with a clear subject in frame. 3. Once the video loads, choose Select Actor and pick either the AI actor you created in Workflow 1 or a new face from the library. Confirm your choice. 4. Click Apply Motion Control. ARC analyzes your footage frame by frame, maps all body and camera movement, and then re-renders your selected actor performing those same actions. If the original person lifts a product, your AI actor lifts it the same way. If they do a quick hand wave, your actor does too. 5. After processing, preview your new video. The person in your original clip has been replaced with your AI actor, but the natural motion and UGC vibe stay intact. 6. When you're happy, click Download to save it and upload directly into Meta Ads Manager or TikTok ads. With just these 2 workflows, you can go from idea to multiple UGC-style creatives without booking a single creator or running a shoot. Workflow 2.5. Localize your ad into multiple languages. You've got a winning ad. Now you need it in Spanish, French, and German without reshooting anything or hiring voice actors. Arcads lets you localize your entire asset stack from the same project. 1. Open the completed ad you just created from your dashboard. 2. In the left sidebar, scroll to the Localize section and click it to open localization settings. 3. You'll see a list of supported languages. Check Spanish, Spain, French, France, German, or whatever markets you're targeting. 4. For each language, paste in your translated script. Keep the structure and hook style the same. Just adapt the phrasing to sound native and conversational. 5. Make sure auto-sync lip sync is enabled. 6. When you click Regenerate Videos, Arcads adjusts your actor's lip movement and facial expressions to match the new audio in each language. 7. After processing, you get separate video files for each language, with the same actor, same timing, and localized voiceover that feels like it was recorded from scratch for that market. Click Download All, and you're ready to launch multi-country campaigns. This 2.5 workflow is where performance marketers scale one proven concept, cloned across languages, platforms, and hooks for fast creative testing and improved ROAS. Bonus features to cut production time. Before we wrap, a few features inside Arcads make this even more powerful for teams running serious spend. Emotion control. When you generate your actor or script, you can dial in emotions like skeptical, confident, playful, or urgent, so the performance matches your funnel stage and offer. 1,000 plus AI actors. Browse by gender, age range, ethnicity, profession, or personality vibe, and reuse winning faces across campaigns without any licensing headaches or creator contracts. Workflow collaboration. Multiple teammates can work in the same canvas. One focuses on scripts and actors, another on images and hooks, another on music and captions, without bouncing projects between tools. If you want to build UGC ads that look and feel native, but scale like software, Arcads is the stack performance marketers are leaning on in 2026. Head to arcads.ai, start with the AI Actor Plus script workflow, then layer in motion control and localization. Your first few ads are free, the link's in the description, and you can have a production-ready UGC ad live in under 5 minutes.